Welcome back to Straight Yard TV, guys. Today we're gonna show you how to make the perfect brown stew fish every time, guys, with simple Jamaican recipes. Okay, guys. So they are already seasoned. We have scallion, onion, garlic, thyme. We have some fish season. We have some all-purpose Maggi. We have some cayenne pepper, guys, and we have some Jamaican easy spice season, guys. So that's basically it, guys. We don't do a lot of season, too much powder season, guys. So what we're doing, naturally, authentic. Stay tuned. Watch what I want. Straight Yard TV. One straight yard. Guys, the pot is hot, so we're gonna put some oil in the pot, guys. We're gonna fry some fish. Okay? Come fast, guys. Come fast. Okay, guys, so the oil is hot. We got some garlic burning in the oil, flavoring up the oil, guys. So I'm gonna put up the pepper in it also. Here we go, guys. We're only cutting it, but we're not burning. Flavoring up the oil, guys. We're gonna fry fish, and then we're gonna brown through them, guys. Great thing. Remember the motto, guys. So love each other, share what you have, don't keep it for yourself, and keep it moving. Straight Yard TV. One straight yard. Up and running. Okay, guys, so listen. Oil is hot. Everything burned out already, guys. So we're gonna take them out. We don't need a minute no more, guys. We get all the flavor we want out of it already. We don't really need them no more. So all of them can come out now, guys. Okay, guys, so we're gonna add some fish in the red hot oil now, guys. Peeps, nice, but it's not for them. These are sliced fish, guys. It's not for them. Buy them and cut them. You understand, guys? Okay, guys, so we're making some sauce for the fish, guys. So we're gonna make some brown stew fish, guys. So all these ingredients, we're gonna put them back on the fish, guys. So I'm adding some carrot to it. Okay, guys, so stick and stay tuned. We're almost finished now, and then we're gonna go to the brown stew. Getting all the burn out of it now. No, we don't have too much oil to burn to it. Okay, guys, so what we're gonna do, we have a lot of oil here, guys, so we're gonna need all this oil. So we're going to show off some of the oil, guys. Remember, the fish are already fried, so we don't need no oil. Just a little drop. Yeah, like something like that, guys. Just a little bit. Now we're gonna go ahead and make the sauce, guys, for the fish. So, a quick and fast, easy meal. First, guys, this is the ingredients from the fish. Okay? Put some water on it. Okay, guys, so this is all the ingredients. We're gonna add them to the pot now, guys. Exactly. Now we're gonna go to this brown stew part of the fish, guys. So stay tuned, stick and stay. Watch your process. Straight jab, please. One straight jab. So, okay, guys, we're getting it to a boil, and then we're gonna make the sauce, and then we're gonna add the fish. So, stick and stay. Watch your process. This one is a different brown stew fish, guys. This one's called pineapple brown stew fish. Okay, I'm gonna show you the sauce. Just stay tuned. Let's come to a boil, guys.
Add a pinch of salt,
A lot of flavor, guys. Okay. So, okay, guys, I'm just trying to get the sauce in the fish, guys. I don't want them to be soft. I just want them to have flavor. Because I'm not making steamed fish, guys. Steamed fish is a different ball game. Okay, guys. That is it, guys. So what I'm doing, trying to get the sauce in the fish, guys. I don't want it to be watery. I don't want it to be not tasteable, guys. So it has to have flavor. So what I'm doing is trying to get the sauce in the fish, guys. What I'm gonna do, add a little bit of water to it, guys. Just a little bit. To build up back the gravy, guys. See, that is it, guys. That is it. See? Okay, guys, so I'm gonna give it like a minute, guys, and then I'm gonna turn the fire off. It's just all about the sauce, guys. It's not really about cooking the fish till it's soft and soggy. Okay, guys, in the pot with it. See it here, guys? Nice brown stew fish, guys. Not soft, not soggy, full of flavor. See them, guys? Well soft. So we're gonna go ahead, turn it off. We're done. Guys, we're finished. Don't know what I'm doing. If your hand is not good, you shouldn't hold a pot like this, guys. You gotta be careful when you're holding a pot like this hot. Okay, guys? And you gotta know the trick. So don't do what I'm doing with the pot, guys, because it's very hot. So now we're gonna move the pot off the fire. We're finished cook, guys. We're gonna go to eating time. Yeah, you can go back there, you done. That's it. See? In a sauce. A lot of people don't like when them fish get too soft, guys. They're like a little crunchy. So now, guys, we finished. So stay tuned. Straight Yard TV. We have a lot more coming, guys, for this year, next year. We have some authentic video for you guys. So stay tuned and watch the channel. And I'm my old subscriber. Respect. I'm a new subscriber. Welcome. Guys, Straight Yard TV going to get to our next level. So stay tuned. We out.